Hello guys, welcome to SWK Tutorials. Today we will do a quick video tutorial on how to create realistic Vray mirror material in 3ds Max. First render the scene. Now I want to make this object a mirror material. So select the object, open the material editor and assign a new Vray material over here. Making the mirror material is extremely simple. Step 1. Change the diffuse color to black. Left click here and change it to black. Step 2. Change the reflection color to white. Left click here and change it to full white. It means 100% reflectivity. Step 3. Uncheck use Fresnel reflections. Now render again. Wow, now the object is working like a realistic mirror. So that's how you create a mirror material in Vray. If you like this tutorial, give it a like. If you love this tutorial, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, keep creating guys. Bye bye.